Not just Christian Dior, we already got that. This with the talent fighting Ryan Garcia fighting Tank Davis. This what brings it to the table. Tomorrow's gonna be perfect sound. You're gonna think it's an NBA game tomorrow. I'll say it again, I'm not just beating up on you. I guarantee you, you're gonna think it's an NBA game tomorrow. Tell me players come to this game for this fight. And the 90s playoffs. You don't get that for fights that's even big until you have a superstar. With two undefeated fighters who believe in themselves, who have followers around the world, millions, that's going to tune in. I mean, what are we talking about? What?
Back in the day, like, fighter could take a loss and bounce back. It's a little different now.
No, anybody lose a fight now of a magnitude of being undefeated or fighting anybody up till they got there. Let me tell you, nowadays it's like this. The only thing can get hurt now is your damn feelings. You didn't win. Because right now they're looking at it too different. That was the whole comeback I just gave. Your feelings could be hurt. It should be. Then I'm worried that you didn't win and you're so happy about it. Like, yo, like, man, feeling some kind of way. At least give me some kind of like, man, damn. Kick the bucket or something. You understand? Show me something like you didn't like that. When you get comfortable in losing, when you get comfortable in feeling, that in that sport, it's over. That's okay, I'll get it next time. Okay? No. This is a generation that rewards those who take risks.
Go with that one. I'll go with that one.
This is a generation that rewards those, and I'm talking about media, I'm talking about fans. This is a generation that rewards the fighter that take risk. I told Elliot Setback on the interview, I have 3 characters that build and help my legacy as I moved on from the executioner to the alien to Dehydrated. Now I have a 4th one, but I'm not throwing punches. I'm doing what I did when I was active, and I'm doing now. It's being the biggest instigator in boxing. To reinvent yourself and actually make sure that you live up to that title that you gave yourself. And some will think it's distasteful, but the biggest instigator spread through the boxing world like a wildfire, and they tried to use and challenge that yesterday. In case y'all didn't know, it's not breaking news, but I gotta let y'all know because they don't want y'all to know. Because in spite of them trying to keep me off the stage yesterday, at the press conference, saying there wasn't any more seats, Kelly Swanson, I told her stupid ass to get out of the way. And I made a seat. I say it again. I told her stupid ass, Kelly Swanson, to get out of the way. I had my security, Akbar Muhammad, right there. Get a chair and put it right there near Joe Goosey. Didn't y'all see me up there?
Yes.
You know why? Not because I was bullying my way in. I belong at the table, and they feared that I might take the table in a way of what? Knowledge and understanding. One thing for sure, I've earned what I became. I'm not apologetic or apologizing for anything that I move forward in life because no one gave me an easy way, and I'm not looking for it. I've earned the right to be in front of y'all right now and to speak my mind the way I've done and the way I've been consistent. No one here, whether you like me or not, doesn't even matter to me. Know I've been consistent in doing what? Expressing my what?
Feelings.
My feelings. And the way I feel. I done it when I was boxing. I was told I'd be blackballed. I was delayed, but I wasn't defeated. Now that I overcame and became victorious, which y'all all agreed at, and beaten one of the biggest powers in this called the establishment, how do you think you're going to slow me up and stop me now? How do you think you're going to make sure that I get muzzled? They knew what the future was going to be if me and Oscar De La Hoya stayed the course. 2 decades and a half later, their worst nightmare came to fruition. And they're still trying to figure out how it became like it did. And then to add insult to injuries, he still have his mind, he still have his health, he still have his wit, he still have his charisma, and he's at the table. We know he's gonna take it next. Past the biggest threat. I'm not giving them no secrets. I'm just putting them on notice. Like we should do on the street. And no sneak attack. Every pack of cigarettes have a warning sign. I'm that pack of cigarettes.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more videos of your favorite fighters over here on Fight Up TV, and give us a follow online as well at Fight Up TV on Twitter and on Instagram. We appreciate it, guys.